have full custom interior here, but don't pay attention to this because it's pretty much the same as every single WRX or STI right there. In order to remove this whole console, we have only 3 screws. The one is under the E-boot bracket. You just pull it out and there's 1 screw. We have 2 screws on the back, and then also for e-brake, you want to pull it out. I'm going to pull this cover here, and there's going to be 1 screw. We're going to remove that one, and then pretty much the whole thing, it just slides out. And the whole thing just slides out back. Okay, so next step, you're gonna remove your shift knob, and then after this, you're gonna gently pull the shift boot up. So you did this, and then pretty much after this, you just have to gently pull out from the sides and from the bottom at the same time. So it just like slides this way. And then you just like remove it like this, simple. So the next step, after you move all of this stuff, is gonna be to remove your vents. Put the one right here, try to pry it off, 1 clip here, the second one right here, and then you pretty much pull it your way and it just slides out. In here you have a couple of connectors you have to remove. So as far as to remove this piece, we will have 3 screws, 1 here, and 1 here. There are also 2 clips on the sides. They look like this. Okay, so now we removed 2 on the sides, 4 in front. We just pretty much pop this thing up like that. And now we're gonna get 10 millimeters, and we have a couple of bolts here. So we have 2 on the side, 1 here, and 2 more on the sides that are attaching the head unit to the bracket. So guys, here there's going to be another screw. I'm going to show you how to find it. So you pretty much remove the glove box, then you have this one. You pry it to the right, and you just like pull it out, this like wiggling thing, and you squeeze them on the sides until it just pops out. Okay guys, so now you just pull this thing out after you find those 2 screws I sent you photos of. And you just pull this away, and here you go. So here guys, we will have to remove a couple of things. We're gonna remove all of this. We're gonna remove the rear bracket, and we also gonna remove this unit. This unit is for your amplifier, I believe, and that's supposed to go together with everything else. Since you remove only 1 piece, we're gonna remove both vents and both buttons and transfer them there. Okay guys, so Idoing did it very simple for you. So you pretty much need only this piece. After this, you connect wires to it and you install back into your car. And this thing is going to come on the top of it. So pretty much you just need to plug this one in. Now guys, we're installing the microphone, so pretty much microphone is going to be right here. You can see in the back, I'm sure. But yeah, microphone is going to be here. We're going to route the whole wire through the A-pillar and going to run through the middle of the dash and just have it right here. So once we're going to be installing the main hand unit, we're just going to have all the wires there ready to go. The second one we're going to wire is, we're going to remove this vent right here. And we're going to put a GPS there. Going to pry it from the side. Let's pull it up. Maybe our GPS adapter, we're going to place it right there. Okay guys, so we have this wire. That's pretty much your microphone wire, and it also has a brake and a Wi-Fi, and it's gonna go right here. So we have the second one from the right, and it's gonna be right here. So next wire is gonna be a fan antenna, and we're gonna put it right here. We have already spot for it, so it plugs in right there. So pay attention that we have an aux out for here, and that's we're gonna leave open. Okay, so we have this wire right here with a bunch of them, and the yellow head, that's going to be the only one. So you have the orange wire that's going to be connected to this one here. So we're going to pull these out and we're going to connect them together just like this. and we're gonna slide them back. One and second one. And then this one is gonna go right next to this, which is right here. So if you look at this yellow wire right here that says camera in, if you have an option that you want to put a front facing camera on it, that's when you're going to plug it in. So here guys, you have two USB wires. So Idoing prefer that you use this one for Android Auto and you use this one for any thumb drive or flash drive that you're going to have. So make sure that you wire these two somewhere in a place where you want to connect your USB, and this one is going to be wired directly in my custom made carbon fiber panel that I'm going to show you later. So the one with duo is going to go in this port up here, so we plug it in right there, and the single one is going to go right here to this port. So last but not least, you have this cable which has 3 white heads on it. So all of these are going to go into your standard ports in your head unit from your head unit. And this one specifically goes right here in a black box that you have, so it connects right there. A CON bass decoder that's needed for any Harman Kardon system out there, and this one is going to be right here. Okay guys, so as far as the installation goes, the telematic unit right here, we're going to install it back. We need only like these 3 wires, we don't need the ground, we don't need these 2. And this one is going to connect it to your radio. From the head unit itself, the only wires we will need is this one with the black and orange one with the box, the microphone, these 3 wires, and that's pretty much it. The rest is going to go here from the car. So we already connected the telematic unit right here. I know it kind of looks messy, but it's pretty much all of the stuff you disconnected before from your telematic unit, and you just plug it directly back. And then we started connecting back our main wires. So we have the microphone and GPS right here that we already ran in the car that I showed you before. So we connect them right now. It tells you right here, GPS, so you pretty much take the right one and just screw it on. The second one is going to be the microphone that we have. Make sure it says right there, microphone, make sure you connect the right one to the right one. Go. This is the radio I was telling you about, and you look for exactly the same port that goes from the head unit, so you connect that one. Also, you're gonna have like a lot of extra wires, and in this case, I would just take the whatever you didn't plug in and just pretty much use electrical tape and just make it nice and clean. The rest of the wires, that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna connect this one right here. I guess we will try to reinstall the head unit back. be connected to internet or you have to have a hotspot. Both options available. Also, you can attach the SIM card, the one that in the package, but I didn't because I'm not planning to get another SIM card for this. Your Bluetooth settings, where you add your devices. This is my Pixel 6 Pro attached, so you can do search, then you attach your phone here. Yeah, all your information for the password and stuff, and then from here you play music. Once you attach the hotspot, you go to settings, you do Wi-Fi, attach your Wi-Fi point, and you pick from whatever available. Ah yeah. Are we good?
Yep.